Cabinet Mifam yu legalization ki thabak haunaba Beverage Corporation Limited sembada yaba pikre. Chahi kun manga ki makhada laibasing yu thakpa yonba amadi laiba yaroi daure. Manipur Excise Rule 2023 amend tawbagi ayaba pikre. MUC ki oza amadi non-teaching staff sing launaba ayaba pikre. Manipur da yu legalization ki thabak hauba yanaba Manipur State Beverage Corporation Limited sembada Manipur lenga ki cabinet na ayaba pikre. Finance Minister na Corporation Limited asigi chairman amadi Chief Secretary, Finance Secretary, Secretary Home, Secretary Health, Secretary RD and PR, Secretary Mahud amadi Secretary Education na Board of Directors sing oigani haire. Hairiba wapam asi ngasi nungthil pung amada Chief Minister Secretary at Chief Minister N. Biren Lusing duna pangthoki ba cabinet mifam da ayaba pikhiba nay. Cabinet Mifam asigi matangda Manipur lenga ki wangangloy amadagi phangba pau ki matungin na ngasi famki ba cabinet Mifam asida tongan-tongan ba agenda kunlom ki matangda khananay na kheng loina na yuyon ba sungba masungthak pagi value added tax VAT rate hengat padasu ayaba pibaga loina na Manipur Excise Rule 2023 so amend tawbagi ayaba pikre yu leiba yon ba made thakpa yabagi legal oiba chahi ase Hana chahi taraga nipan oirambadagi chahi kun manga suraba miyoising khaktana yu yonba leiba masung thakpagi ayaba pire. Educational institution amade worship place na chingba mafamdagi yamdrabada meter samagi wangma lalaga yu yonbagi firepso cabinet na warep lauki haire. Ngasigi mifam aduna Manipur University of Culture gi teaching staff yangkhaiga humdoi non-teaching staff kunipan direct recruitment taunabagi ayaba pibaga loina na tongan-tongan ba hiram kaya Thabak oina paikhatnabagi ayaba singsu pikhi haire.